Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. So today is the next topic for chapter 9. Yesterday we had finished about earthquake and fire. Now today we will finish about landslides, rift collapse. What are the reasons for Malin mishap in Pune district? This was a mishap which has happened. What are the effects? Heavy rainfall, uncontrolled deforestation, constructional activities on the slopes. These were the reasons. What were the effects? Loss of human lives. Okay, around 40 houses were buried under the debris flow. Okay, so the answer I will be giving, I have given it in the notes. What is landslide? You might have seen landslides in news. Okay, downward movement of large masses of rocks, soil and mud, that is called as landslide, where a part of the land comes down due to heavy rain or due to soil erosion, that is landslide. Now we may move on to the next page. So here you may see, especially at the time of heavy rains, water entering these cracks causes weathering of these rocks. Weight increases, these rocks slide on the slopy region and settle at the lower side. This is called as collapse or rift, that is landslide. Okay, collapse of rift. Causes of landslide: after effects of natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, heavy rains, storms, floods cause landslide. Unlimited cutting of trees causes soil erosion. While building roads on mountains, there is a lot of digging that makes the mountain weak. This also causes landslide. Effects of landslide: rivers get flooded and change their paths. Displacement of waterfalls, formation of artificial water reservoirs. There is life and financial loss on a large scale as trees, buildings, rocks on slopy area collapse on low-lying land. Landslide affects the traffic. Landslide destroy the plant life on it. Okay, so here you may see these are the effects. You have to learn the causes of landslide and the effects of landslide, minimum 3 to 4 points. Okay. Now the last topic is disaster relief planning. If a plan is prepared, it will help any disaster relief in the school. Okay, this question is not generally asked, but you may go through it. The primary information of the school. Okay, the things to be noted: name and address of the school, name and residential address of headmaster. These are the things which have to be noted about the primary information about the school. The school disaster management committee. There is a particular committee which is nominated for the disaster management, like fire extinguisher, awareness, instructions. These are the things which they keep information about. Detailed information about the school building. This is given in the office rooms. Okay, total number of rooms, number of classroom, everything has to be written. Information about school ground, whether it is having a school playground, and if it is having, what type of ground it is. Daily routine of the school, what is the time to start, the school break, the time to leave the school, and the daily activities which are taking place in the school. Possible hazards of the school. Okay, what are the possible danger for the school building and the surroundings. Disaster management map. Okay, in your school you might have seen there would be a notice where it is written for to go through the staircase, when there is a fire. You might have seen such notices put up. Okay, such management, for that purpose management map of the school should be put up at every corner of the school. Okay, now we may move on to the next page. Last is mock drill. Every month a mock drill must be conducted in the school. Okay, mock drill means a false condition where some type of disaster has occurred, and the students are told to run below, to run to the floor, that is run to the ground. Okay, it is a mock drill which is done for practice purposes. Okay, and the work of institutes, that is the last point. The government of India, in collaboration with Indian Mountaineering Institute and International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, has launched a program to forecast the landslide and its effects. Institute of Geology and World Geological Forum also help in this forecast. Now these two parts have been deleted for this year. From this chapter, the question answers from the exercise are very important. So you may read the chapter. If you're having any doubt, you may ask. Okay, thank you.